Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung device and let me share with you how to resize home screen folders on this device. Alright, so first of all you need to find and download the GoodLuck app. You can find it in the Google Play Store or Galaxy Store, so just download it and then tap on it. Let me go back, we will start with the plugins. So here we need to scroll down and find the option which is called Home App and tap on it. After tapping, your device will simply download it, so that's normal. And if you've got it turned off, so obviously just tap on the switcher here to apply it and then tap on Home Screen. Now we need to scroll down and find the option which is called the folder, or actually the section, and localize large folder. First of all, it will be turned off, so simply tap on the switcher here and then tap on large folder. Usually it will be set on medium, so something like that. So make sure that you will mark the custom option, and now we can go back. So here we've got our folder. Let me go right here and let me tap on it and hold it, and here we've got this option enlarge, so just tap on it. And as you can see, now we've got those, let's say, borders or lines. Thanks to it we can simply change the size and the position of the folder. So as you can see, you can, for example, extend it to the full screen. You can make it something like this, so you can just play around here and make the folder look just like you want to. And basically, this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.